Trap. Trap. Trap.
Alright guys, so as you can see here, we took the gearbox out. Also we actually started to record how we pulled off the gearbox, but then it became super stressful because of this stupid starter bolt, which some of you guys will know, that the upper bolt of the starter is a pain to get to. Also the pre-owner used a 17mm head bolt, which is even more difficult than the OEM 14mm head. So yeah, so we quit recording, but because there was no sense, we really needed like a full day to remove this guy. And yeah, the further plan is to, as I already said, to get this clutch working, put on the gearbox. The problem that I had is that the clutch won't open fully. So we took the clutch out and checked everything. So we found out that it's a twin plate ceramic clutch from Extreme, with an Extreme flywheel, so it was the whole kit that was sent with it. Probably the owner before me installed this onto the car. Yeah. What we need to do also is that we need to change the seal where the housing of the rear main seal is on the car, because it's leaking from down there. So that's also the next point. So far from now, stay tuned. We keep making the videos, we are trying to get better at it. So leave a comment or like, subscribe or whatever.
Hey.